this here the serious race of the night, man. That white car, it look like he cheating, don't look like he belong in the class, versus the blue car that won this class last year.
I never thought it was fuck the dumb shit. You know where I'm going. All y'all talking. I'm not talking. I wouldn't give a fuck. Talk like that. I just did. Y'all out there.
He said, you better be lucky you my uncle, boy.
No, we ain't got no friends.
Yeah, y'all got still counting money, man.
I got 12 more on the blue. We ain't got to see each other.
Where you at, man? White car, blue car? Hey, where you at? White car, blue car?
Look out. Look out.
Or who you going for, the blue or the white? The blue car? I'm finna bet with that blue car now. Let me find me a bit. He said that with confidence, bro. Let me find somebody to bet with that white car. Oh, yeah, he is, but hey, man, you bet with that white car? Man, bet 100, man. Bet. I done felt me 100. Where y'all at?
Where you at?
Blue. I'm with the blue. You too? Give me some odds.
Huh?
Yeah. You want the white? For 40? All right, bet 40. Who you going for? White? Blue or the white? The blue, all right, the blue car that won 2 times in a row, the white car, Pro Mars, cheat. You been with the cheater or the winner? You like the cheater? Okay. Yeah.
I want the white car.
You want the white car? And where you want?
I like the white car.
For real?
I like the white. I'm locked in too. I got some money on it too. I'm locked in.
I'm talking about it's a 350 with a 400 crank with the stock main bearings. Fobo! Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Oh, shit. Wait a minute. Y'all can handle that. Ooh, got a cam too, y'all. That's on the blue one. Yeah, he can't run, y'all.
Remember I told you. Come to border. I said this is the most humblest way. Remember I told you.
Lottie Daddy.
Make it 22, bro.
22.
All I got a ball on blue. Anybody want that? My man got a ball with the blue car. Right here.
I'm going. Sir, got some more money on you?
Hey. You betting on the blue too, right? Oh, you is? To make sure to get it.
What you ready?
He turning it up.
And I tell you what, it ended up being with the 2 racing cars on the property.
Hey, you know, when they got that cap fit on, we about to get paid.
Oh, yeah.
She's scratching and biting everything.
Damn, it's 5 in the morning.
The baddest motherfucking car out here.
Stop that ass! Here we go. Here we go. Hold
My money never
I
changed.
got 26. Yeah, 26 and 26. That bitch got a hell of a high deal, boy.
He said that's the only motherfucker I got from Houston.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.